Yeah, but what about the situation when you're forced to talk about it? Maybe you don't want to talk about it. You feel about something in a particular way, but maybe you don't want to talk about it.
पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आप नए साल से प्रेसिडेंट बनेंगे
जी
कुछ विचार आपके हाउ डू यू रेडी फॉर रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज
I think they're big shoes to fill. Mr. Mukesh Bhatt has done an incredible job as really as the president of the guild for the last 4 years, and I just hope that I can live up to the expectations that I have of myself and that the fraternity has from the guild. I think it's a happy evening tonight. You know, we've got the Mami Festival opening. We've got the Royal Opera House looking beautiful. So I'd rather keep it to Mami.
आपको लगता है कि दिवाली सब लोगों के लिए खुशी वाला त्योहार हो पाएगी जिस तरह से माहौल चल रहा है
I hope so, and I think so.
एलोमेंट करिए सब बहुत कम शब्द है समझ नहीं पाएंगे
You know, tonight is a night to celebrate the opening of Mami. So I'd rather keep any answers to that. Thank you. Thank you. She's shooting today, unfortunately. But yes, her wanted posters are all over town, I know.
सिद्धार्थ एक बात और अब आप खुद की कंपनी शुरू कर रहे हैं रोजगार और मिलेंगे लोगों को
It's a little bit early and very speculative at this point of time, so I wouldn't like to get into that right now.
डिप्लोमेटिक्स आ रहे हैं
क्या करूं अभी? Diplomat हूं. जी. I'm thrilled with the response. Incredible response. I mean, such genuine appreciation for the trailer. We've put, you know, blood, sweat, and tears into it for the last few years, and we're so happy to see the response. You know, Kiran and Anu have done such a great job of resurrecting Mami, and Geo and Star have been incredible supports also. As a trustee of Mami, I am very, very proud that, you know, we've been able to showcase the best of cinema and, you know, give our city the festival that it deserves. She's well. She has recovered completely now. Bilkul. Thank you. Thank you. Sure. Hi. How's it going? Yeah, I know. Look at this building. It's amazing. I'm looking forward to watching lots of films, time permitting. But yeah, I mean, I just hope that lots of people come out and I mean, generally we have long lines, long queues for lots of films, which is a great sign, and that just shows that the festival is growing and needs to grow even more and get better and better every year. So looking forward to watching some good films. Sorry. Right. It's quite a pity actually. I was looking forward to watching that. I hope. I mean, I don't see how a film can have any effect adverse in that sense. So I'm just. I mean, I appreciate art from no matter where it comes, and I was looking forward to watching that film as well. But unfortunate that we are not able to see it.
And standing somewhere,
I hope it gets a good release, and there's and better sense prevails, and everything's calm, and everyone goes out and watches it, and then it does as well as it's supposed to do based on its quality, but not based on all these other political factors.
Kunal, have you been part of any endorsement? Have you been part of any endorsements?
No, no, no.
सोचा है हमने करने को आगे बढ़े हैं?
No, I don't think. I mean, no, nothing like that.
Taking away the endorsement, tracking the affects the image of the star.
I don't know, because I've never endorsed anything in that sense. I mean, I've done a couple of ads which haven't released, but I haven't really endorsed anything. But I don't get your question.
अगर ये है कोई स्टार को एंडोर्समेंट कर रहा है फिर वो नहीं हो पाता अलग हो जाते हैं हटा दिया जाता है उनको
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Well, stars get endorsements, I guess. The brand image changes, so you keep having changing images of the brand itself, and depending on that, they get different stars to endorse it at different periods of time. But I don't think it affects the star's value at all. Thank you.
बोलिए. Yeah, somebody has to ask me a question.
अमिताभ बच्चन आज उद्घाटन कर रहे हैं रॉयल ओपेरा हाउस का और माननीय
मुझे बेहद खुशी है, क्योंकि मेरा मानना है कि मामी फेस्टिवल एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल है जो कि हमारे लिए, हमारे मुल्क के लिए एक बहुत शान और शौकत की बात है, और पिछले 3-4 सालों में इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतरी आई है. तो मैं जो लोग इसके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं उन सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देती हूँ. मुझे यहाँ रॉयल ओपेरा हाउस में आने से बहुत ज़्यादा इसलिए अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ 4 महीने की थी जब मेरी मम्मी मुझे अपनी पीठ पर लाद कर यहाँ लाती थी, क्योंकि पृथ्वी थिएटर यहाँ हुआ करता था. तो मुझे बेहद खुशी है.
कुछ फिल्में नहीं बन पाएंगी इस फेस्टिवल का पार्ट जा रही हैं. आप
Aidil hai mushkil, Aidil hai mushkil. I don't want to talk about Aidil. You ask about man. What is there to say? So many people have spoken about. Do you really want me to say anything? Okay, let's talk. First, you don't want to ask anything about the festival. Not interested only in Mami, basically. हो गया इनॉग्रेशन. So मैंने मामी के कई सालों से I've been attending Mami. Even before I became a filmmaker, I always used to come for Mami. So it's a very special festival for me. I'm a film buff, other than being a filmmaker. So I love watching films, and I'm a big fan of the festival. And I'm very happy to support it in whatever way I can. यार यहाँ पे स्क्रीन होगी तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. You know, honestly, I know कि ये word attach हो चुका है मेरे फिल्म से सुपर हीरो, but actually it's not exactly a superhero film also. It's just a film with some fantasy in it. I would prefer to describe the film as a modern day romantic fantasy, as opposed to a superhero film, because it's not really a superhero film. But yeah, it will be great if it comes to Mami. Please, we are hoping that Ae Dil Hai Mushkil releases smoothly. We are hoping everybody watches the film. It's lovely. It's been made with a lot of love. I love the film. There's nothing else to say. I'm a big supporter of the film. I understand the controversy that's happened. It's very simple. The sentiments are a bit different now than they were 1 year ago when the film was being made. and everything that has to be said about it, I think Karan and Ranbir and all have conveyed that. So for now, I feel that all of us together should just support the film and hope that it releases successfully. I mean, of course he's tensed, and of course he's, I mean, everybody involved with the film is a little bit worried about how things are unfolding. But I think he's also hoping for the best and hoping that eventually there's some kind of central body that decides these things that will take the call on the situation.